Hello friends, welcome to the course on Andhra Pradesh Geography. Before we begin, those who have not subscribed to the Master Learning YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon. So this is World Districts map of Andhra Pradesh, and this one is new districts map of Andhra Pradesh. The old districts of Andhra Pradesh were divided into two groups in my earlier video. The first group includes the districts Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Vishakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, and Guntur. And the second group includes Kurnool, Prakasam, Anantapur, Kadapa, Nellore, and Chittoor. So the reason for such a division is just a matter of convenience. So those who have not watched my first video, go back and watch the first video. The reason is given in the first video, and this is new Andhra Pradesh districts map. If you see, some districts were exactly divided into half. For example, Kurnool and Nandyal were formed from the old Kurnool districts. Kurnool is exactly broken into two. Similarly, the district Anantapur is broken into two districts, Anantapur and Sri Satya Sai districts. Whereas Chittoor district is divided among three districts. One, Chittoor itself, and Tirupati, and also Annamaya district. So you have to observe each and every districts in the same way. For the time being, I have seen Kurnool, Anantapur, Chittoor. Now let's see Kadapa district. Initially, Kadapa was a landlocked district. It means Kadapa is not sharing its border with other state and also not sharing border with the coastline. So but now Kadapa is divided into two districts. One is Kadapa itself and second one is Annamaya. The new district Annamaya, which is formed from Kadapa, has got some portions from Chittoor, which is border to Karnataka. So the districts which are border to Karnataka now are Kurnool, Anantapur, Satya Sai, Annamaya, Chittoor. So I repeat, the districts which are border to Karnataka are Kurnool, Anantapur, Sri Satya Sai, Annamaya, and Chittoor. We will see the districts which are border to Tamil Nadu. The districts which were border to Tamil Nadu are Chittoor and Nellore. Right now, Nellore is not border to Tamil Nadu. Very important, Nellore is not border to Tamil Nadu, whereas Chittoor and Tirupati districts are border to Tamil Nadu. And then, if you see the districts which are border to Telangana, Kurnool, Nandyal, Prakasam, Palnadu, NTR, Eluru, Alluri Sitaramaraju districts. These are the districts which are border to Telangana. I repeat, the districts which are border to Telangana are Kurnool, Nandyal, Prakasam, Palanadu, NTR, Eluru, and then Alluri Sitaramaraju district. The districts which are border to Chhattisgarh are Alluri Sitaramaraju district. Districts which are border to Orissa are Srikakulam. Earlier, Vijayanagaram was border to Orissa. Right now, Vijayanagaram is not bordered to Orissa. Again, very important point. Note here, Vijayanagaram is not bordered to Orissa, whereas Parvatipuram Manyam is bordered to Orissa, and then Alluri Sitaramaraju is bordered to Orissa. It is sharing maximum border with Orissa. So the three districts which are bordered to Orissa are Srikakulam, Parvatipuram Manyam, and Alluri Sitaramaraju districts. Alluri Sitaramaraju district is also bordered to Chhattisgarh. So please comment which are the districts border to Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha separately. See, there are more things to be discussed in this map. We will see the old districts and new districts. Srikakulam is a older district. Parvatipuram Manyam is a new district. Vijayanagaram is older district. Vishakhapatnam, earlier it was a very big district. Right now it is restricted only to the municipal area of Vishakhapatnam. Anakapalli is separated from Vishakhapatnam, and then the portions of East Godavari and Vishakhapatnam merged to form Alluri Sitaramaraju. And then you have a new district, Kakinada, formed from East Godavari district. And then Konasima also formed from East Godavari district. And only very few portion is left to the East Godavari district itself. And West Godavari district is divided into two. One is Eluru, another one is West Godavari. So the new districts here are Parvatipuram Manyam, Anakapalli. Anakapalli is a very popular name. Kakinada. Earlier it was in East Godavari district. Now it is a separate district. Konasima, very important tourist site. And then a new district, Alluri Sitaramaraju. Eluru is a very important place in West Godavari district. You can answer the question, Rajamandri is in which district? So please answer, earlier it was in which district, right now it is in which district? The the district Krishna is divided into two districts. One is NTR, another one is Krishna itself. Guntur is divided into three districts. One is Palnadu, Guntur itself, and then Bapatla. And then you have Prakasham here. Kurnool is divided into Kurnool and Nandyal. Anantapuram is divided into Anantapur and Sri Satyasai district. Kadapa is divided into YSR, Kadapa and Annamaya. Nellore, some portions of Nellore is given to Chittoor district. Some portions of Nellore is given to Tirupati district. Tirupati also received some areas from Chittoor. And Annamaya district is also having border with Karnataka. So we will continue our discussion. I will go to the next slide. So in this slide, I placed old districts and new districts together. New districts names are in blue color, whereas old districts names are in black color. Try to remember the names of new districts. One is Parvatipuram Manyam and Anakapalli, which is formed from Vishakhapatnam. Alluri Sitaramaraju districts, which is formed from merging portions of East Godavari and Vishakhapatnam districts. Kakinada and Konasima are formed from East Godavari district. Eluru is formed from West Godavari district. NTR district is formed from Krishna districts, whereas Palnadu, Bapatla are new districts formed from Gunturu district. Similarly, Nandyal is formed from Kurnool district, and then Sri Satya Sai is a new district which is formed from Anantapuram district. Annamaya is a new district which is formed from YSR Kadapa. Tirupati is a new district which is formed from taking areas from Nellore and also Chittoor. In my earlier slides, I compared old districts and new districts. So in this slide, I am comparing the old regions with the new regions. Earlier, Andhra Pradesh had two regions. One is coastal Andhra, another one is Rayalaseema. Right now, we have three regions. One is Uttarandhra, which is also called Kalinga Andhra. Second one is coastal Andhra. Third one is Rayalaseema. Let's see how districts are divided into three regions. See, in old districts map, when we had two regions, these are the grouping. Coastal Andhra are Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Vishakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, and Nellore. And in Rayalaseema, we had four districts: Kurnool, Anantapur, Kadapa, and Chittoor. Now we will see the new regions. Yeah, the first region is Uttarandhra. So try to recollect the map. Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Parvatipuram Manyam, Vishakhapatnam, Anakapalli, Alluri Sitaramaraju, which is a longer district, belong to Uttarandhra, also called Kalingandhra. Kalinga is a kingdom based on Orissa, and coastal Andhra includes the districts Kakinada, Konasima, East Godavari, West Godavari, Eluru, Krishna, NTR, Bapatla, Guntur, Palnadu, Prakasam, and Nellore. See, there are three important rivers which drains the coastal Andhra region, which are Godavari. Godavari flows in these districts Kakinada, Konasima, East Godavari, West Godavari, Elur. And second river drains coastal Andhra are Krishna, which drains the districts Krishna, NTR, Bapatla, Guntur, Palnadu. And the third important river, which is Pennar, it flows in the district of Nellore. So the three rivers, very important for the exam, three rivers which drains coastal Andhra region are Godavari, Krishna, and then Pennar. In Rayalaseema, the districts are Kurnool, Nandyal, Anantapuram, Sri Satya Sai, YSR Kadapa, Annamaya, Tirupati, and Chittoor. Earlier, Rayalaseema did not have coastal place. Right now, right now, Rayalaseema is having access to Bay of Bengal. Also, Uttarandhra has access to Bay of Bengal. So I feel it is very fair division because all the three regions of Andhra Pradesh having access to coastal region. Having access to coastal region is very important for trade. So these points you can mention in mains examination. This is old districts map of Andhra Pradesh, and you have new districts map of Andhra Pradesh. What I have done is I merged these two districts map together so you can visualize how districts are exactly divided. You can observe Kurnool, which was yellow in color, is divided into two districts, Kurnool and Nandyal, exactly broken into two. Similarly, Anantapur, which is in red color, was exactly broken into two, Anantapur and Satyasai. If you see Chittur, Chittur is divided among three districts. One is Annamaya, Chittur, and Tirupati. If you see Nellore, Nellore is divided into two districts. One is Nellore, and then some portions were given to Tirupati. If you see Kadapa, Kadapa is divided into two districts, Kadapa and Annamaya. Annamaya received some portions from Chittur. Right now, Chittur has become a smaller districts. If you see Prakasam, some portions were given to Nellore district and then some portion is given to Bapatla. So it means the older district Gunturu has got some portions from Bapatla. Sorry, some portions from Prakasham. Yeah, if you see this district is Alluri Sitaramaraju district, which is formed from East Godavari, which is green in color, and then Vishakhapatnam, which is orange in color. So kindly observe this merged map clearly. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share with your friends and discuss among with your friends. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section, and you can always guide me in what way I can teach. Thank you.